Error 2012, often called video viewer timeout, occurs when Discord times out while you're trying to watch someone's stream or start your own. This means that your Discord app could not properly establish or maintain the stream connection. So try the solutions one by one, checking if the problem is resolved after each. First, you need to go ahead and restart your Discord and your computer. And if that does not work, restart your computer and try again. Enable or toggle the hardware acceleration. In Discord, you can go ahead and open your user settings, see for hardware acceleration, and if it's currently off, turn it on, and if it's on, turn it off. Different systems respond differently to different settings. So after changing the setting, close the Discord and reopen it. Also try clearing the Discord cache app data on Windows. Go ahead, close Discord, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then simply enter %app data % and hit enter. Now from this page, you need to simply go ahead and search for Discord, and there delete the subfolders like cache, code, cache, and GPU cache. Then restart Discord. You can also try disabling VPN, proxy, and firewalls. Turn off any VPN or proxy you're using, as they can interfere with the Discord server connection, and check your firewall and antivirus setting to ensure that the Discord is allowed. You can also open your device manager. Here, simply open your display adapter and then right-click on it and select your GPU and select Update Driver. Do the same for your network adapters as well. Last but not least, you can try reinstalling Discord and delete any remaining Discord data in the app present app data and local app data %. Download the latest version from discord.com and install Discord and check the Discord server status. Sometimes the problem is on Discord's end, so visit the Discord status to see if there is any ongoing issue that needs to be resolved. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.